come on board to help out with my restaurants and bars was the deep, practical insight that I needed that I didn't know I needed. There were so many tips, tricks, and knowledge that came from him on areas that I was unaware I even needed to change, from logistics to ordering practices to different systems I could set up to really take my restaurants and bars to the next level. Not only that, the pure support in mindset and empathy as a human was something that I find so rare and hard to find, especially in the hospitality industry. It was so amazing to have someone on board to help with the business who not only had the skills and the expertise, but cared about what I was doing and why I was doing it and who I was too. So thank you so much.